Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in depth. Our initial report was released on our website on the 4th of November, 2024, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 31st of October, 2024, our system has classified Meta as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.64. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 1.22%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.41% since its designation as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, presenting what is typically an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor, valued at $558.84, be breached, it may firstly signal a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it could also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The ongoing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 17.11% in the upcoming 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging between 16.72% and 30.74%. Regarding the 12-month trend, projections suggest a change of 60.31% over the next year, with a potential return spanning from 48.44% to 75.95%. This would result in a price range between $832.26 and $986.52 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta features the headline, Red Day on Monday for Meta. The Meta stock price declined by 1.14% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 4th of November, 2024, falling from $567.16 to $560.68. This marks a consecutive 4-day decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 1.94%, reaching a low of $557.89 and a high of $568.69. Over this period, the price has experienced ups and downs, resulting in a 2.52% loss over the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume typically follows stock price trends. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 4 million shares, with a total of 11 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $6.42 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $602.95, while the lowest was $313.66. Currently, the price stands 7.01% or $42.27, below the 52-week high of $602.95, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is making headlines today with predictions suggesting it could surpass NVIDIA's $3.3 trillion market value by the year 2028. This is a bullish signal for investors as it highlights Meta's potential in the competitive artificial intelligence landscape. This positive outlook could drive short-term gains as analysts and investors reassess Meta's valuation amid its strategic positioning in artificial intelligence. However, not all news is favorable. Meta has been fined approximately $15 million by South Korea for collecting sensitive user data without proper consent, raising concerns about regulatory compliance and its impact on future revenues. This fine may affect short-term investor sentiment as it underscores the ongoing scrutiny over user privacy practices. While this move could enhance Meta's reputation and open new business opportunities, it might also attract criticism, impacting public perception in the long run. Additionally, Meta has extended its ban on new political ads beyond the United States election day. This decision can stabilize the platform in a politically charged environment, but may limit revenue from advertising, affecting earnings in the short term. Lastly, amidst these developments, broader market conditions show mixed signals in earnings reports for major companies, which could translate to heightened volatility in Meta's stock price as investors navigate through the earnings season. Overall, while Meta's long-term potential looks promising, current fines, regulatory challenges, and advertising restrictions may create short-term pressures on its stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned Meta a positive rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, UBS rated Meta with a buy designation alongside a hold recommendation. Also on that day, Scotiabank categorized Meta as sector perform, also with a hold recommendation. Furthermore, Cantor Fitzgerald rated Meta as overweight, maintaining a hold stance. Lastly, JMP Securities granted Meta an outperform rating, along with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The Meta stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast. On upward corrections, resistance will be encountered at $575.99 and $574.17. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, October 4th, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 5.92%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal occurred 22 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal was identified 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal noted 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal observed 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 62 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we notice short moving average, sell signal recorded 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal detected 65 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 58 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, with accumulated volume identifying key points at $494.09 and $488.92. There is a natural risk when a stock tests a support level. If this support is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, Meta has support just below the current level at $494.09. If this level is broken, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $488.92 and $475.73. Generally, this stock exhibits controlled movements, and due to strong liquidity, the associated risk is considered quite low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $10.80 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 1.94%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.77%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $6.39. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $567.58. If you don't own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $494.09. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 30th of October, 2024, Mark Zuckerberg sold 420 shares of Class A common stock. On the 29th of October, 2024, Jennifer Newstead sold 905 shares of Class A common stock. On the 28th of October, 2024, Peggy Alford sold 873 shares of Class A common stock. On the 25th of October, 2024, Javier Olivan sold 413 shares of Class A common stock. On the 22nd of October, 2024, Jennifer Newstead sold 905 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 71.721. Overall, insiders purchased 22,988 shares, while selling 148,835 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative assessment for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Meta stock a good buy? The Meta stock presents several concerning indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Meta will likely experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price may be undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 5th of November, we expect Meta to open at $1.74, with initial trading commencing at $562.42. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.